TN 11th results 2024 Tamil Nadu TNDGE HSC plus 1 result today on results.nic.in. St. Philomena's Public School, Byalkere celebrates remarkable success in CBSE Grade 10 results. KIIT World School, Gurugram students achieve top ranks in CBSE Class X and 12 exams. CBSE Class 12 toppers list 2024 check toppers names, districts, marks, rank list and other details here. Bal Bharati Public School Dwarka celebrates academic excellence, top scorers shine in ACE 2023-24. Good afternoon, warm welcome, you are watching the Education News Network, where you get the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Kiran Raj reporting from the Education News Network. Today's stories are: the Directorate of Government Examinations, DGE, Tamil Nadu today announced the HSC plus 1 results. TN plus 1 students will now be able to check their TN HSC results at the official websites results.nic.in, thegay.tn.gov.in. Candidates are required to log into the websites results.nic.in 2024 or thegay.tn.gov.in and click on the download result link. Enter the registration number or roll number, after which the result will appear on the screen. The top 5 districts from last year were Tirupur, 96.38% students pass, Erode, 96.18% students pass, Coimbatore, 95.73% students pass, Namakkal, 95.60% students pass, and Tuticorin, 95.43%. St. Philomena's Public School, Byalkere proudly announces the CBSE Board Grade 10 results, which are indeed a testament to the outstanding performance of the students. The management, principal, and staff congratulate the achievers and wish them a bright future ahead. KIIT World School, Gurugram students have achieved remarkable success in both Class X and 12 CBSE board examinations. Bhavya Rathore and Pushpanjali Priya emerge as school toppers in Class 12 and X respectively, showcasing exceptional academic prowess. In Class 12, Bhavya Rathore scored 480 out of 500, excelling in subjects like psychology, Pol. Science, English, and economics. Pushpanjali Priya secured 488 out of 500 in Class X with a perfect score in mathematics. Yashwini Thakur and Tamanna Chaudhary secured second place in their respective classes with outstanding scores. Specific subject toppers like Bhavya and Pushpanjali demonstrated exceptional proficiency with their outstanding performances in various subjects. Testimonials from Bhavya Rathore and Vidhi Sirohi underscore the supportive environment and dedicated faculty at KIIT World School, Gurugram pivotal in shaping their academic journey. Dr. Nilima Kamra, principal of KIIT World School, Gurugram commended the students' dedication and resilience, emphasizing the school's holistic approach to education. These achievements reflect the collaborative efforts of students, teachers, and staff towards academic excellence at KIIT World School, Gurugram. The Central Board of Secondary Education, CBSE, today announced the much-awaited Class 12 board results. CBSE Class 12 students can now check their scorecard on the board official website cbse.gov.in. Apart from the official website, the CBSE Class 12 results will be available on the Umang mobile app, DigiLocker, and the IVRS system. The CBSE results were declared on 12th May last year. This year, the overall pass rate stands at 87.98%. Notably, Trivandrum district achieved the highest pass rate, while Prayagraj ranked lowest. Over 24,000 candidates score above 95%, over 1.16 lakh above 90%. The CBSE has opted not to publish a toppers list for the Class 12 exams. The ACE, All India Senior School Certificate Examination, results for the academic year 2023-24 were announced, revealing the top achievers from Bal Bharati Public School in Dwarka. Khushi Saini emerged as the topper in the science stream, securing an impressive score of 95.80% with a perfect score in maths and high marks in biology. In the commerce stream, Shivyansh Bansal claimed the top position with an outstanding score of 97.20%, achieving perfect scores in subjects like accountancy and excelling in others like business studies and psychology. These exceptional performances underscore the academic excellence and dedication of the students at Bal Bharati Public School. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, Log on to our website www.educationnewsnetwork. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.